Good morning, everyone. You are now watching English Headline News, Buh News. I will you the most recent news alerts. Purwokerto residents are once again alarmed by the phenomenon of klitih, which occurs not only in Yogyakarta but also in Purwokerto. This crime was committed by a group of young people who attacked the victim unexpectedly without taking the victim valuable. However, this action can cause serious injuries of even death to the victim. According to CCTV monitoring, an attack by Klitih member occurred 2 a.m. on Street Panjaitan, Purwokerto Selatan. The victim was 20-year-old Telkom Purwokerto Technology Institute student named Dwi Alam, who was looking for childhood food. We have connected to colleague Nyayu to find out now how the chronology of event the scan is. Good morning, Nyayu. What is the currently chronology and situation on the scan?
Hello, Panggi. The location of the incident is currently being treated as a skin by police Purwokerto. Here, I have been with eyewitness. Excuse me, sir, can you tell me how the chronology works when you play the victim?
So I was about to leave to work. I noticed a group of young men attack the victim until the victim fell, and when was already lifeless and covered by blood in stomach, and immediately I request the ambulance for the victim.
Do you know about the perpetrator's character?
The perpetrator are use a vehicle and with plate number R5769 BV, and they are two people.
Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for information you provide. I took it back to studio.
Next news. According to the most recent information, Mataram Police such rescue raid a rent house in Babakan District, Gunung Sari Regency after it was discovered that it was frequently the location of money laundering case committed by a convict narcotic convict. The police opened the fire after the perpetrator of the drug distribution initiated an attempt to flee. Even the perpetrator fled to avoid capture by the police through the roof of resident home. It's a good idea to keep this information up to date. I simply asked on our colleague Fabiana if she was available to report from Mataram.
Okay, Will, thank you. Can I report from the Mataram Police? Reveal the extent of money laundering TPPU cases involving suspect convict narcotic in Nusa Kambangan Prison in Cilacap Regency, Central Java. The convict with initial SR was apprehended on June 30, 2022 with evidence of meth type drugs weight 3 grams. Mataram Police Kombes Heri Wahyudi stated the TPPU case shall be made public in order to identification the main criminal. This narcotic was the first to be recorded by Mataram Police. Hello, sir. What is the first step taken by the police in the case?
We have the perpetrators locked up in a rent house. Once complete search turned up evidence of meth drugs. With the disclosure of the role suspect played in this TPPU case, we demonstrate that Mataram police are committed to fighting drugs to the end by attempting to impoverish the perpetrators.
So, did your destination as a suspect in the narcotic TPPU case follow proper legal procedure, sir?
Theo's status as a TPPU suspect is changed by evidence of the case investigation till the result.
What about the case follow-up, which has been declared complete by the investigation procedure, sir?
Because the file has been declared complete, suspects and witnesses for stage 2 devolution.
Is the investigator working in collaboration with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights?
Given that this suspect is a convicted felon who is still serving in criminal sentence, Nusa Kambangan prisons, we have once again coordinated with the Republic of Indonesia Ministry of Law and Culture.
Thank you information, sir. According to our investigation, he have a man received a package of the drug to distribution through the communication. Fabiana, a tourist from the Mataram, West Nusa Tenggara, reported.
So, I will provide information on the homecoming flow at the homecoming current monitoring post in Purwokerto now. That live connect with my colleague Iza. Hello Iza, how the state of homecoming flow at the post now?
Okay, Panggi, good morning. The audience is now at current homecoming monitoring post in Purwokerto, and the current situation is being monitored very smoothly. Despite the fact the government allowed homecoming this year, but the government applies to implement the healthy protocol. It has been observed at several CCTV points that is the current crowd smoothly, but in the interaction of alun-alun Purwokerto monitor decently. A number of travelers are resting at the homecoming post. What is the relation between hello sir?
Yes, there is Faik here.
Sir Faik, from where do you want to return home?
I am from Majibarang and want to return to Purbalingga.
How do you feel now that the government has allowed you to return home?
I am very happy and excited to be able to gather with family in this year.
Okay, thank you Sir Faik. From this time, good luck the destination and greetings to the family at home. I return to studio.
Okay viewers, that is the news today. I am Fanggi Dwi Alamsyah and all of Buh News crew say thank you so much for your attention. Good luck for you. See you tomorrow and bye bye.
Cut!